guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another restocking video. So if you didn't know, I restock my shop every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This first slime is called Mint Chocolate Chip Cloud Cream, and yes, this is a recreation of Peachy Baby's tutorial, so credits to her. And I also filmed this, but I haven't gotten the time to edit it. So it smells just like the name, and the texture is like super fluffy and airy. Next is cereal milk, and I am not the creator of the slime, so credits to whoever made it. But this is pretty much the same as my Fruit Loops slime, just without the beads. And it smells just like Fruit Loops, and it has a thick and clicky base. Next up is Rocky Hollow, and it's a clear slime base, unscented, with extra fine holographic glitters in it. You can't see the hollow during the day, but when it's nighttime and you put a flash over it, then you can tell that it is hollow. This is Nerd's Rope, so this is scented like watermelons and is on a clear slime base. The beads rise to the top, but since these were like freshly packaged, the beads were mixed up. So when you let it sit for a while, you would see the beads like go all the way to the top. Next is Blue Raz Fishbowl, and it's scented like blue raspberries. It's a light fishbowl, so there aren't that many beads in it, but I still really like how it looks. So this is Pineapple Sorbet. It's scented like pineapples. It smells so good. This has that new texture that everyone has been making on Instagram. It's super smooth, and I personally really love this. Next is Chewed Up Mint Gum. It smells just like bubble gum, and it makes really nice bubble popping sounds. And the second to last slime is Banana Split. It smells like bananas with jumbo and small rainbow foam beads in it. So the base turned out a little bit jiggly, but still super thick, if that makes any sense. And lastly, this slime is probably my favorite out of this whole restock, which is called Alfonso Mango Gelato. It smells just like mangoes, which is my favorite fruit. It also has the same super smooth texture as Pineapple Sorbet.